Welcome to the Netiquette Next. Today our new video is about Medium. And what is Medium? The Medium website is an online publishing platform where individuals can create and share written content with a wider audience. It was founded in 2012 by Evan Williams, one of the co-founder of Twitter. Medium is designed to provide a platform for writers, journalists, and bloggers to publish articles and stories on various topics. On Medium, users can create an account and start writing their own articles or blog posts. The platform offers a clean and minimalist interface that focuses on the content itself. Writers have the option to publish their work publicly, allowing it to be discovered by other Medium users, or they can choose to make their content available only to a specific group of readers. Here I already have searched the Medium, so we are going to click it and we are going to create an account with Medium. If someone already had an account, they can sign in, they can write, they can have membership, and they can see the stories. So here we are going to create an account, so let's get started. Here join Medium, they are giving us options to join with Facebook, with email, and with Google. We are going to sign up with Google. So here it is giving us other options to choose an account. This one is artificial, so we are going to click on it, and almost there. Finish creating your account for the full Medium experience. Infinite text, and now here we are going to create an account. What it is asking us, what are you interested in? Choose 3 or more. For example, we are asking programming, data, technology, self-improvement, and we have a wide range and it can show us more. We can works, marketing, web development, all these are really amazing things. So we are going to continue. Let's get started. So it is the user interface of Medium. Here we have our information, the profile, library, where our friends gonna be here. We can put stories. Here I have the information about the stat. Here we have settings, refine recommendations, manage publications, how we can manage our publications, our writings, help become a member, we can become its member, create a Mastodon account, apply for author verification, apply to the partner program, gift a membership, and from this point we can sign it out. Here we have the bell icon. Here from this point we can compose, we can write our blogs. From this point we can search content here, and it is also giving us other options to explore the stories. We can explore topics. Here we have a wide range. These one are the one we have picked, but it is giving us a lot of much about the topic: life, family, adoption, self-improvement, work, marketing, productivity, health, relationship, mindfulness, leadership, media, software development, technology, and much more. A lot. I'm scrolling up and down to show you that how wide the topics are, how wide information we have in Medium. So we can search our own topic if we want. Here we can explore the topics if we want to find that in here. So we're going to back what's going on. Here we have the interface. These are for us. People has blogged, put their blogs here. So we're scrolling up. I'm scrolling up and down them to show you. Stop picks June 10th. Here we have the list about that, and discover Medium writers you already follow on Twitter, recommended topics, who to follow, see reading lists. So we can do much more. Topics to follow: writing, relationship, machine learning, productivity, and politics, and a lot more. refined recommendations, history, following all of these things we can see. We can compose. Actually, this web provides us the platform to put our content, the written one, here. We can write title and the blog here as we want. So it was about Medium. We can use Medium for different purposes. It was for today. In the next video we will be back with another amazing video. Hope to see you again and entertain you again. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.